Hello everyone, this is William Amzalag. Welcome to the 36th episode of Jeunesse Longevity TV. 4 years ago, in episodes 7 and 8, I share with you the science behind stem cells and our Luminesce serum. Today, research on stem cells has gone exponential, and we have a better understanding of their role, especially in the skin. Considering the importance of stem cells in our daily life, it was necessary to give you an update on the last research discovery. Stem cells have three major features. One, they have the ability to duplicate themselves indefinitely. Second, they can differentiate into 200 different types of cells in our human body. Third, they release a very special type of molecule called soluble or growth factors, which act as a signaling molecule, sending a message to the target cells, which may result in repairing, maintaining, or even regenerating some part of the body. Stem cells can perform those three features simultaneously or give priority to one or more features. For example, just after fecundation, priority is given to duplication, and until the production of approximately 100 embryonic stem cells, we have a group of so-called totipotent cells, which have so much power that we could clone a human body, but this is no longer than 1 week. Immediately after this stage, priority is given to differentiation. The pool of totipotent stem cells will be divided in three groups. The first group is the ectoderm group, which will differentiate into different tissue and function. The second one is the endoderm group, which gives birth to the other tissue and function. And finally, third, the mesoderm group, which gives birth to other tissue and function. These cells are called pluripotent adult stem cells because while having good potentiality, they do not carry the one of cloning. Once the 200 different cells are created, it is now time to add more cells and restore the priority of duplication in order for the baby to grow harmoniously until delivery. Stem cells are now everywhere in the body, ready to be used if necessary. After delivery, things are quite different. The bone marrow is now the major producer of stem cells. This is very important because blood cells need constant renewal. We couldn't live more than 2 hours without fresh production of stem cells from the red bone marrow. Bone marrow is also producing regular stem cells to be sent to the blood as soon as it is required. This is how it works. When your body is injured or aggressed somewhere, the injured area sends a molecule signal to the bone marrow, which reacts by producing more stem cells and also sending stem cells in the circulatory system. Those new mobilized stem cells are circulating in the blood until they receive a second signal, which gives them more detail to where they have to go. Once stem cells have reached their destination, they will perform three tasks. The first one is to activate dormant local stem cells which start to release growth factor in the surrounding targeted area. The second one is to release their own signaling factor to help local stem cells. And the third one is to differentiate into local cells, but this task is limited. Now you can feel that the new priority for stem cells is to release growth factors. So what are soluble factors and why are they so important? In nature, communication is the key. Plants communicate by phytochemicals. Animals communicated by special frequency, and cells are permanently communicated. The way how we communicate is so important that scientists invented a new discipline. Signaling is a new science that studies how cells communicate and what are signaling molecules. In 1986, Rita Levi-Montalcini, an Italian neurobiologist, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine jointly with her colleague Stanley Cohen for the discovery of the nerve growth factor. She was the first one to explain the vital role of growth factors. A soluble or signaling factor is a natural substance that stimulates cellular growth, proliferation, healing, and cellular differentiation. Growth factors act as a signaling molecules between cells by binding to specific receptors in the surface of their target cells. Communication in our body is so vital that we need hundreds or even thousands of those molecules to deliver a very specific message to the cells. Now that you understand the vital importance of growth factors, let's go back to our Luminesce Serum and to the unique work of Dr. Nathan Newman. Dr. Newman is a cosmetic surgeon and a dermatologist. He is also a pioneer in stem cells technology applied to the skin. His medical protocol consists of extracting the stem cells from the adipose tissue by special liposuction and re-injecting those stem cells into the face or other part of the body. By doing that, he's bypassing the physiological protocol in which a signal must be sent from an injured area in order for the bone marrow to send stem cells. The goal was to use the magic of stem cells for remodeling, healing, or rejuvenating some part of our face or our body. His long experience with this protocol let him discover that the release of soluble factors and other signaling factors from injected stem cells had a major impact on the results. This is why he designed the Luminesce Serum, which is a concentrate of hundreds of soluble factors released by stem cells. His fascination for these factors brought him to enlarge his understanding to all kinds of soluble factors from animal or plant origin. The effect of such factors of the cells are very similar regardless of the source of these factors. So why not combining several soluble factors coming from several different plants? This is what Dr. Newman decided to explore several years ago. The technology is complex. First, he must select several plants and vegetables which are supposed to get the right soluble factors that we need for the skin. Then he has to grow them in a special environment and learn how to extract the stem cells. Next, all the stem cells from different plants are introduced in a special medium gel to let them not only duplicate but also release soluble factor. Finally, after several days, the gel is filtered to take out the stem cells, and the remaining is a serum with quite an identical effect to the one extracted from human cells. The unique technology took years of research and requires specific competency for different specialists to become available to us. This proprietary technology has been first used to design RVL and the hair scalp treatment with HTP6, a combination of 6 plant extracts producing their own soluble factor. By extending the variety of different plants, Dr. Newman reached our ultimate goals for the serum, getting the same result as the one coming from a human adipose tissue without having to rely on a limited human source of stem cells. The Luminesce serum contains soluble factors obtained from different sources, but it doesn't matter because the end results are the same. My name is William Amzalag and I am Generation Young. See you in our next episode. Bye-bye.